found this Adirondack chair at the flea market for $1, and I was going to do something for 4th of July. That didn't happen, and then I decided that I wanted 2, so I needed to make them myself. So I got out all my popsicle sticks, and I got them cut and bagged, and then I started assembling it, and I was using the wood glue, and I got the back and the seat done, and then I started putting it together, and I did that with hot glue. So I got it hot glued together, and then I went around all the seams and everything with wood glue to really strengthen it. And this is how they came out. Pretty cute. But then I needed a table. So I went ahead and I built a table. And I hot glued it together and then used the wood glue to go around all the seams. And this is how it came out. And I really loved it. So I went ahead and I primed it white, and then I wanted bright colors, so I went through all my paint and I found these colors, and I loved it, but I needed an end table in between the 2 chairs. So I built one. Same method as before, only smaller. Primed it white. And then I went ahead and I did it like in a peach color because I wanted a lot of color for this. And then Maggie came to see what was going on so she could supervise. She's always welcome to check everything out. And then it was on to making some pillows for the chairs. So I went through all my fabrics and came up with these really pretty colors to keep the bright colors going and to kind of match everything together. I made them, I stuffed them with cotton, and then around the edges, I went ahead and I put it's like a thin little cord to just kind of finish it off. And then in the middle of the blue pillows, I put a little knot in there to kind of make it poofy. So here we have the whole set. And I put it on my little patch of grass, and I think it looks really great. It's colorful, and the pieces are Mod Podged. But then I felt that I needed something for the big table, and I knew I had made watermelon, but I'm not as organized as I think I am, and I couldn't find them. I could not find my watermelon, so I went ahead and I made more. It's polymer clay, I shaped it, I baked it, and then I started painting. And then I put the little seeds on, put Mod Podge on them, and we have watermelon. And here's just some pictures of the way that the chair came out. It's a really solid chair. It's double enforced with the wood glue and the hot glue. And I know that because Maggie, my kitty, knocked one on the floor, batted it around for a while before I realized it was missing, and it held up fine. And here's the shot of it just all set up for the outside patio, and it just looks really inviting, very, very summery. There's a little plant, there's a little flower, there's a couple of little drinks. Love it.